back. Today we are working on HTML colors. First we're going to need an element to be able to color, and we'll start off actually by naming this HTML colors, or C-O-L-O-U-R-S if you're from Australia like me. And now we need an element that we can actually test this color on, so we're going to go div and call it class myCol, or myCol, but I'll say my. That is our div. We'll need to give this some sort of size. So on the CSS we're going to put in dot and myCol and then go height 100 pixels and width 100 pixels. Now we have our test element ready to go with an X in it. Doesn't look very exciting at the moment, but soon we will add a color to it. So the color is a color tag, C-O-L-O-R, and a colon, and then you can type in red or a color name, and it should color this in, but it is not for some reason. myCol height color red. That's very strange. Oh, that's right, because that is the foreground color, of course. And then if we wanted to do the background color, we would actually need to do a background. Fine, I will save this so everyone can see it in the future. Background black. Now we have the foreground as red and the background as black. So that is basic color usage in HTML. I can't even say it. We can also use a hex code for the color. If you've got a hex in your photo editor or anything like that, you can put a hash and then the hex code. 0 is black. Can't remember what red is. I think it's F00 foo. Then that's red. Or you can actually go 4. You can go double F. Double O is the same. We go FF, foof, which is bright pink. You can also use other names, like there's a whole list of them actually. There's medium sea green if you prefer to use those type of things. Or there's violet or slate blue, or there's a whole list of colors which I'll probably link. I think there's actually 140 standard color names which you can use. I'll probably link that in the description somewhere actually. And that is HTML color basics. Color, type in your color, or you can use the hex code. You can actually use RGB code as well if you wanted to make it transparent. So we could actually put in a transparent background here going RGBA, and then we put in a 0 for black, 0, 0, and then the opacity level, which is half. And then we actually get a half level or a kind of faded opacity instead of that. And then you can change the opacity level all the way up to 1, and that will make it fully black, or 0.1 will make it very faint. So, and then you'll be able to see an element behind this with that background color. So that is HTML colors. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.